Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss how to install VUE JS in Laravel 11 project, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQLi, and this is already run localhost PSP my admin, and this is my PSP version, latest version 8.2.12. This is the latest version, my PSP version. And let's check this my gem folder. Inside this gem folder is a latest version, and inside this htdoc directory, and this is all my project. Let's this directory inside cmd open. The cmd successfully open. Let's check this PSP version, PSP V. This is my PSP version 8.2. This is the latest version. Let's composer version check. This composer version. This is my composer version. Let's check. This is the latest version. This my composer version 2.7.9. This is the latest version. First of all, this PSP version, after this composer version is a check. Let's this directory inside this is m folder. Inside this is a directory. Inside this new project is a installation Laravel Vue. This is a new project is a installation. Let's check this PSP V. First command. Second command composer V. This is a second command. Next command is a installation. This is a composer create project Laravel. Inside this Laravel Vue. This is a project is a not available. Inside this project is a not available. Let's same here. Copy this. Copy and inside this is a my project directory. This is a project directory. Inside this is a paste here. This direct open. Inside this paste here. Successfully paste and enter. Please wait. This is a installation. Let's check this project create this Laravel Vue. Please wait. Inside this is a create. Successfully this is a create. Good working. This is a project is a current date is a created. This is a time is a current is a successfully created. Please wait. This is a installation. This is a directory. Let's video stop, and this is the installation again start. Successfully installation is a done. This is the installation is a successfully done. Please wait. This is a all migration is a create successfully done. This first command is a successfully done. This command is a installation is a done. This command is a composer create project Laravel Vue. Successfully installation is a done. Please check this all done installation. This is a all packages are done. Let's next is a this is a project is a open. This project directory successfully open. Let's this project directory inside this cd. This is a Laravel underscore Vue. Laravel underscore Vue and enter. Successfully this is a directory is a inside. This is a successfully find. This is a good, and this is a all this command is a already inside. This is a available. Let's next command is a PSP artisan server. Let's run PSP artisan server and enter. This is a working fine. This is a URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. This is the latest project is a successfully working fine. This Laravel 11. This is 23 and this is 82. This is a working fine. This is a project is a working fine. Let this is it is a working. Let this my project is a already available. Open inside this again cmd open. This is a second cmd means command prompt open. This is as it is a working fine. This is as it is a working fine, and this is a minimize. This minimize and second this open. This is a project directory inside this cmd. This is a working good. Let's VUE JS is a install installation. This is a VUE JS is a installation. Inside this is a not a available VUE JS. Less installation. This is a command is available. Composer required in this Laravel UI. Same URI copy. This is a copy, and this open. This is a open this directory inside. This is a paste here and paste here. Please wait. This is a installation. Same here. Composer JSON is a update, and this is a installation. Laravel VUE JS in installation. This is a video. Step by step installation all command. This is a command is a successfully installation is a done. Please wait. This command is a successfully installation is a done. Next command is available. This is same command is available. Copy, and this is a paste here. This paste here and enter. Successfully this is a installation. First of all npm install, after npm run dev install. Let's run. This is a two command is a inside this available npm install and npm dev, and this is a inside this same here. Let's npm install and enter. Npm install. First of all this is a npm install. Please wait. This is npm installation is a working. Please wait. npm installation. npm installation is a start. Please wait. And this is my error solution official website. Error solution official website. Inside this is a YouTube channel. We are to help 2024/7 anytime. Contact WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. Anytime contact. Inside this list of project is available. Please buy. This is a project is available, and this is my channel, YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub, and this is my official website error solution, and this is the official channel error solution. Let's check this. This check npm is a successfully installation is a done, good working. npm successfully installation. Let's next is npm run dev. npm run dev and enter. npm run dev. This is npm run dev. Successfully this is a working fine. This URL is a copy. This URL is a copy, and inside this paste here. This URL is a copy and paste here. Successfully Laravel plus VUE JS is a installation. This is a good. This is a PHP artisan server working fine, and this is a Laravel VUE JS is a working fine. Two command prompt is open. This is a PHP artisan server, and second is available. This is a VUE JS. 2 is a minimize. Let's run. This is a run. Project is open. This my Sublime text editor. Please write down this all command step by step, and this is a write down. This is a small size font, and this is a open. This project is a my Sublime text editor. Successfully this is a project is a open. This project is a directory is my Sublime text editor is a open. Let's check this composer JSON. Inside this is available UI. This is a framework PHP version. This is all installation is a done. VUE JS is a installation all package. Please check this. VUE JS is a installation, and this is a VUE JS is a successfully installation. Let's close this. Resource inside this is a file name is available. Welcome file. Inside this is a style is a remove. Style is a remove. Not use this style. This directory style is a remove. Successfully this is a style is a remove, and this is a all div is a remove. This is a remove, and this class is a not a use. Save file. Let's save file and refresh this page. Automatically refresh. This is a working fine. This is a good working. This is a successfully remove, good working. Let's insert. This is a S1. and this welcome save file and automatically refresh this page. This is a welcome is available. This is the extra code is all remove. This is a fine. Welcome, thank you. Save file successfully, automatically is a refresh. Good working. This is as it is a working fine, not this is a VUE JS. Refresh automatically, page is a refresh. Same name is a comment. This is a comment. This is not use this comment, and same name is this is a file is available resource css app.css. Resource inside this available resource inside css inside this JS app. This file is inside this included. Second is available. Second is a resource JS app. JS inside this is a app. This is a directory is available. The same name is a copy inside this is a div id is a paste here. Successfully inside this is a available app. This is a id hash id, and this is the implementation. And next is this file is open. Inside this is available. Same name is a content, same copy, and inside this is a paste here. This is a paste here. The successfully paste. This is a good working. This is a fine, and this is a same name is a copy, and inside this is a paste here. This is a paste. Let's refresh is automatically page is a refresh. Good working. This is example component IMA explain content. This is a working fine, and this is a directory is available. This directory inside this is available. This component inside this is a component. This is a explain component. This is a component is available. This component, and this component directory inside this is already include that component inside this is directory usage. This is available. Let's my extension sense. This is a Laravel HTML highlight. This is available, and inside this is a AS1 welcome. Video is done. Save file and automatically is refresh. This video is done. Let's style color red. This is the color is red, and refresh this page successfully. Style is video is done successfully. All implementation. Please write down the simple way is a sense, not a extra sense. This is a successfully set, and this is the database is a create this database. Open this is .env file. Inside this is a remove and MySQLi. And this is a hashtag is a remove, and this hashtag is a remove, and this is a project Laravel view. This is the same name is a copy, and this is a click this. This is a working fine, not a issue. This is a working fine. Let's click this new and paste here, and this is a database name is a create. The same name is a database create view. This is a project name is a same name is a create, and this is a create database. Just click this new. Inside this is a successfully database is a created. Good working. This is a fine. This is a fine database successfully created. All save file. This is a save file, and this is a close, not use close, and this is not a user close. This is a close, and this is a successfully less working fine. This inside database. Inside this migration is a available, and this is a migration, and this is a unique, and this is a nullable set. This is a nullable is a set. Otherwise lost of doubt is a create. This is a nullable is a successfully set. This is a user table. Let's next is again cmd. Open cmd. This directory inside cmd successfully open, and this directory inside this php artisan migrate. php artisan migrate. This is a command is a working good. This is a successfully table is a create. This next command is a successfully set php artisan migrate. This last command is a implementation. This is a working fine. This is a session is not available. Let's refresh this page, and this is a database is created. Good working. This is a database is created. Let's refresh this page, and this is a issue is a solved. This is a successfully set. This session table is a missing, and this is a available. This session is a refreshing. This again refresh this page, and inside this is a refresh this page, and this is a different ID is a set. Good working. This is a localhost Firefox is a session is a available. This is a my IP address. This is a working fine. All good. This is any science. This is welcome VUE. Save file and refresh this page successfully. Inside this automatically available. Not a refresh page. Auto save file automatically is a sense, and this is a automatically is a sense. Good working. Please write down. This is a all command step by step. This is a write down this command. All write down, and this is a table is a create. Please check. This is a database table. Inside this .env file is just check. This is a all implementation. Please write down. This is a database connection. The same name is a Laravel view, and this is the same name is a database name. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.